So, are you enjoying your weekend at my house?
Yes, I don't want to go home tomorrow.
You have to. School starts soon.
Oh, I almost forgot.
Forgot what?
Wait, I have something in my backpack. My teacher gave us this.
What is it?
It's a list of things I need for school.
Let me see. Wow, that's a long list.
I know.
Do you already have everything?
Not really.
Then I know what we're doing today.
Shopping?
Back to school shopping. Get your backpack. Let's go.
Wow, it's busy today.
Everyone is getting ready for school.
Where do we start?
What's first on your list?
Notebooks.
Good. Let's find the notebooks.
There are so many.
These are notebooks. You use a notebook to write your lessons and homework.
I need 4.
Which color do you want?
1 blue, 1 green, 1 red,
And the fourth one?
yellow.
Very colorful.
I won't lose them.
We'll see about that.
Next, pens and pencils.
Easy. These are pens. We write with ink when we use a pen.
I need blue pens.
Take a few. And these are pencils. With a pencil, you can write and erase your mistakes.
That's useful for me.
Very useful.
Hey!
I'm just saying.
And I need this.
An eraser.
Right.
An eraser removes pencil marks.
I want this one.
Why that one?
It looks like a hamburger.
Of course it does.
Can I have it?
As long as you don't try to eat it.
Very funny. What's next?
A ruler.
This one?
Yes, that's a ruler. You use it to measure things and draw straight lines.
This one is 15 centimeters.
Look at the list.
It says 30 centimeters.
Then you need the longer one.
Good thing we checked. Oh, look!
I knew you would stop here.
I need colored pencils.
Colored pencils are great for drawing and coloring.
Can I get 24 colors?
Does your list say 24?
No.
How many does it say?
12?
Then 12 is enough.
You're no fun.
I'm saving you from carrying a very heavy backpack.
We need scissors and glue.
I can see the glue.
But where are the scissors?
I don't know. Let's ask someone. Excuse me, can you help us?
Of course.
We're looking for scissors.
They're in aisle 6, next to the pencil cases.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's an aisle?
An aisle is the space between the rows of shelves.
Oh, so we need aisle 6.
Exactly.
Found them.
Good. These are scissors. We use scissors to cut paper,
And this is glue.
right? Glue sticks things together.
Scissors and glue, done.
What's next?
A pencil case.
They're right behind you.
What's a pencil case for?
Seriously?
I know. I just want you to say it.
A pencil case keeps your pens, pencils, and eraser together.
So I don't lose them.
That's the idea.
I like this one.
The one with the planets?
Yes.
Good choice. Put it in the basket.
There's one more big thing on the list.
A new backpack?
Yes.
Okay, try this one.
It's too small.
What about this one?
Too big.
Try the blue one.
This feels good.
A backpack carries your books and school supplies. Check the straps.
They're comfortable.
Check the pockets.
It has 3 pockets.
Perfect.
I want this one.
Then we have a winner. Let's check everything before we pay.
Notebooks. Yes. Pens and pencils. Yes. Eraser. Yes. Ruler. Yes. Colored pencils. Yes. Scissors and glue. Yes. Pencil case. Yes. Backpack. Yes.
Is that everything?
Wait.
What?
Highlighters.
We almost forgot them.
What are highlighters again?
They're bright pens. You use them to mark important words in your notes.
Oh yes, I need 2.
Let's find them.
Yellow or green?
Why not both?
Really?
The list says 2.
Best day ever.
They're only highlighters.
Still.
Hello, did you find everything?
I think so.
We checked the list twice.
That's a good idea. Are you ready for school?
Now I am.
Do you need a bag?
No, thank you. We can put most of it in his new backpack.
Perfect.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
Thank you. Let's pack my backpack.
Okay, put your notebooks in first.
Notebooks.
Now your pencil case.
Pens, pencils, eraser. Everything is inside.
Don't forget your ruler.
Got it.
Colored pencils.
Got them.
Scissors and glue.
Got them.
Highlighters.
Yes,
Looks like you're ready.
I think so.
Excited?
A little nervous.
That's normal. A new school year is a new start.
Thanks for helping me today.
Anytime. Wait, we're not finished yet.
What do you mean?
I have something for you.
For me?
Yes, a little surprise.
Really?
Close your eyes.
Okay. No looking?
No looking.
I'm not looking.
All right, open your eyes.
Wow. A lunchbox.
Yes, a lunchbox is a box you use to carry your food to school.
And it has my favorite game on it.
I knew you'd like it.
This is so cool. Thank you.
There's something else in the bag.
Something else? A water bottle.
Exactly. A water bottle keeps your drink with you during the day.
It matches my lunchbox.
That was the idea.
This is the best part of our shopping trip.
Really? Not the giant hamburger eraser?
Okay, maybe the second best part.
I knew it. So, let's check one last time. You have your notebooks, your pens and pencils, your pencil case, your ruler, your school supplies, your lunchbox, and your water bottle.
Now I really have everything.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, I'm ready.
Have a great school year.
Thanks, Anna, and thanks for the surprise.
You're welcome.
Next year, can we go shopping together again?
We'll see.
That means yes.
Nice try.